Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the Orion constellation, merging stars with consciousness. Ladies and gentlemen, in the silent architecture of the night sky, a radiant figure stands poised in cosmic resolve. The Orion, the celestial hunter, etched in starlight across cultures and centuries, is far more than a stellar arrangement. Beneath its symmetry and mythic familiarity lies an extraordinary truth. Orion is a transmitter in the great galactic web, pulsing with photons, quantum particles, and purpose. In this silent cascade of cosmic signals, the human brain, an instrument of supreme sensitivity, receives, interprets, and responds, suggesting that a dialogue is unfolding between mind and the stars. Orion's form is carved by stars of titanic scale. Betelgeuse, the red supergiant, and Rigel, the blue-white beacon, each radiating colossal energy across space. At the center lies Orion's belt, and suspended below it, like a celestial blade, hangs Orion's sword. Within this sword resides the Orion Nebula, a galactic forge where new stars are born. Here, molecular clouds blaze with radiation, releasing quantum streams of particles and photons into the universe. These energies reach Earth not as distant abstractions, but as real interactive forces. Research in quantum neuroscience proposes that the human brain may act as a biological antenna, a quantum transducer able to receive and even transmit subtle information carried by starlight. Each photon that reaches the skin or eye holds encoded data. When awareness is engaged, the brain interprets this data, triggering responses in pineal rhythms, neurochemical releases, and the higher faculties of conscious thought. This connection deepens when intention meets awareness. In such states, the brain ceases to mirror and begins to shape. Perception itself becomes participation. Here, thoughts, which are energies in motion, interact with cosmic rhythms, suggesting a two-way transmission where stars inform the mind and the mind, in awareness, responds in kind. Ancient Indian cosmology held this understanding intuitively. In the Rig Veda, stars were not objects, they were beings, rishis of light, communicating eternal truths. Orion is associated with Mrigashira, the seeker's mind, restless until reunited with cosmic wisdom. The Bhagavad Gita echoes this connection. Wherever balance is disturbed, forces emerge to restore cosmic order. Perhaps these forces also descend not only as deities but as their blessings, photonic alignments, impulses guiding minds towards harmony. Across civilizations, Orion has stood as a symbol of creation, order, and destiny. The Egyptians aligned pyramids to its belt, believing it to be the origin of divine life. The Mayans revered it as the cosmic hearth. Today, science is exploring how circadian rhythms, emotional patterns, and creative impulses are subtly tuned by cosmic timing. The body listens even in sleep. What's the way forward? In an era awakening to quantum biology and cosmopsychology, the question is no longer whether the stars influence life, but whether life is listening. Orion stands not as mythology, but as memory of a bond not yet forgotten between energy and consciousness, particle and perception. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, though a fragment of the galactic spiral, Orion reflects the architecture of the whole. It emits not just light but invitation to world coherence, to world remembrance, to world awakening. And as the Chandogya Upanishad from the ancient Indian sculpture Samaveda declares in one of its 4 Mahavakyas, Tat Tavam Asai, thou art that, or you are that. It expresses the fundamental unity of the individual self and the ultimate reality. As Lord Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita affirms, I am the self seated in the heart of all beings. Perhaps Orion is not only out there in space, but also within, the eternal hunter of ignorance, the guiding constellation of consciousness, and a luminous reminder that all life belongs to a cosmic mind, ever transmitting, ever receiving. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.